Hello everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hello. Yeah, so it's 12 p.m. right now, and we have started the live. Sorry for a delay because I was like, let's start. चलो start कर ही देते हैं सेशन को. मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि सेशन अभी स्टार्ट कर देंगे हम. So in like when it was 11:15, no, then only I decided that let's start the live and start हो गए हम. अगर आप ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, if you are watching the, you know, what will you say? So what you say, अगर आपने recording देखनी है, so it's okay. If you are watching the recording, it's okay. And hi, with Pratima. Hello. Yeah. So today we have our chief guest also, a YouTuber chief guest only, Priyanshu's Fantasy World. Yeah. So first, I will read out the names of those who are registered in our course till now. They are Ria Shirley and Priyanshu Saha. Okay, now it's a very good. All of you have joined. So what are we doing today? We have our code show day 2, right? So sorry, I was going to just to do this yesterday only, but yeah, for some problems, I was not able to do that. So today only code show is happening. But I hope all of you are happy, right? For code show day 2. Okay. So today we are learning something except Scratch. We are not learning Scratch today, okay? So first, welcome. Yeah, welcome. Today we are learning something else. We are learning how to create something on a code.org applab. So how many have heard about it? Maybe some of you or all of you, or you have some have not heard. It is a mix up, right? So today I will explain you one of my favorite websites except Scratch to do coding, code.org's applabs. So, yeah, let's get started, everyone. So, are we all ready? Hi. Okay, so I think we are ready to start the live. We will invite our chief guest soon. Don't worry. Um, we are ready, right, everyone? So, let's start the live. Here I go. 1, 2. Oh, hi, Ahana. Hi, Ahana. I hope everyone now can see your screen, my screen. Is it visible? I think it's visible. So now I will show you the game I have created. So this is called Let's Make Friends. So this is usually a game I have created, and I hope all of you will like it, right? So yeah, let's see what happens in this game and all. Uh, So first in this game we have to sign up. Okay. So signing up is very simple. How to sign up? No. First I will just enter some kind of email ID here. Some Srijita Wonderland @gmail.com. So I am entering my email ID here, right? Then I will enter my email ID right here also. Kanashka Kanashka Srijita @gmail.com. Now here I will enter our chief guest Priyanshu's email ID. Priyanshu 94 something, and like this. I will enter, and my password also, some kinds of password. I'll enter any password we're gonna enter. We're gonna click on sign up. You are successfully registered. Can you hear that sound? You are successfully registered. Good. You are successfully registered. So I hope you guys can hear the sound, right? Now what is happening here? This is an application basically where we are able to. Okay. Okay, bye Ohana. If you have some problems, it's okay. Yeah. So basically what is happening in this game, we are creating a record. Okay, now this where this email ID is saved. How is this email ID useful even? Do you want to know this? Let me tell you. This email ID is being stored in one of the data panel. In which panel? Let me show you guys right here. Yeah, see, this is my data panel. Okay, the email ID being saved here, such as message. See, so many messages. Then users, see, so many users. Just now we registered with these email IDs, so I'll copy these email ID because I don't remember it. Now I will go to one of my sign-in screen and I'll enter this email ID. Then I'll enter my password. I'll click on logging and it will show like this. Srijita.wonderland@gmail.com. Good. Now here I will just enter one other email ID of mine with what I registered just now. Let me delete these things which are waste. See, all these browsers are open. See, now I will again copy one email ID and then okay. I will go to one more screen. I'll enter here and marshmallow. Let's log in. Welcome, kanish.srijita@gmail.com. Right now I will sign in with Priyanshu's ID here. So yeah, here we go. Oh god, I lost it. Okay. So here is the screen and the password is very simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Good. Now let's log in. Welcome, priyansha9493@gmail.com. You can hear this? You can hear this, right? Okay. One more screen. Where is it? Okay. Wait. This is number one screen. So this is number two screen. I'll direct it. So this is Kanishka's screen basically. This is Srijita's screen. And last but not the least is Priyanshu's screen here. See. Now they will chat. They will talk to each other. How? See, if I click the bad drop down, no, you can see the two email IDs, right? Srijita's Wonderland. So here, what is happening? The user who is registered here, like the user who created their account here, they will show in this drop down. Drop down, आप सबने देखा होगा जब आप app use करते हो, right? See, this is how it's happening. Suppose now Priyanshu wants to chat with Kanishka. How will he do that? Now, if Kanishka, where's Kanishka's account, goes to Priyanshu's account and Priyanshu types Kanishka, hi Kanishka, okay? And then clicks on the send message button, okay? And now Kanishka types, hi Priyanshu. I know that Priyanshu's message is not still now received by Kanishka. Now see what happens. Yeah, see what had happened. Can you define what happened here? The message which Kanishka sent Priyanshu is being appeared on Priyanshu's screen. If Priyanshu is at Kanishka's screen, now even if Priyanshu wants to chat with Kanishka, how will you do that? Send. See, Kanishka received Priyanshu's message. Can you see it? Okay. So is this a magic? No. This is a coding formula which we can use, okay, to connect to each other. Now, if Srijita wants to chat with Priyanshu, What happens? Where is Srijita's account? She will switch to Priyanshu. Priyanshu will switch to Srijita. Now Srijita sends Priyanshu, hi Priyanshu, how are you? Okay, how are you? Our chief guest is going to come, don't worry. Now see, we received the message, right? So if Priyanshu types, hi Srijita, I am fine. What about you? Yeah, what about you? And send the message, then Srijita receives it. But how is this funda happening? What is the funda in this? Is this a magic? Guys, what do you think? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Is this a magic? What do you think? No, it's not a magic. Let me show you. So, how I have coded it, I have so many screens here. What are the screens? The chat screen loads means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 screens, okay? First screen is the sign in screen. So I have designed the sign in screen like this. Okay. Now the second screen, what is the second screen here? Okay. The second screen here is chat screen. Then we have design. Can you see the designing? I'll just broaden it a little. And if you guys want to know more about applab, no, to create some like these real time applications, then do tell me so that I can help you to know more about this. Okay, see, this is fans and all. This is a text input basically. Okay, it's not a text area, it's a text input. It is a button, this is a label, this is an image. You can see no, this is a text area. This is a button, like a image only. This is a again a image, and this is a drop down, and this is a text area. Simple designing. Now my sign up screen is also like this. Okay, then loads how like rough this is, and load, see, there is a gif. Okay, the tick gif when you sign in, not shown, no. So what is the code? Hide element label 9 means there is a element called label 9 which we will hide, and then has set screen to sign up. Always the first screen will come as sign up in this case. Okay, okay. Okay, so here is this. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. So now here we get it that the email IDs are here. Now label 4, what is label 4? This is label 4 means a sign up button. This is a label. Okay guys, this is not a button, this is a label. So this is the brain you need to design an application. So this game may be inspired by someone else. So I am taught by him. But you see how good the application is. Okay, so now when we click label, this label, yeah, when we click this label, what happens is it creates a record called email. So email, what is it? Get text from S. Now what is S? This is a text input called the S. Okay, password is also text input 4. So create record called users. That's why when we are signing up, this is creating a data record, and in the server, this is a server. Okay, in the server it is being joined. Very simple. Okay, now go to encode. Now it will play a speech. You successfully registered. Set screen to sign in. Now in label 6 you will see set screen to sign in means if we click again, like sign in screen, where is the sign in screen? If we click again on logging, it will set screen to sign in. Now if we click this logging button only, then it will read records whether the user is registered or not. It will check by the read records panel to see the code. No, read records users, because the users is the only record we need to read. And then if get text like is equal to, okay, we get it from mathematics. If you want to know all about this website, you can also message me here in the text box also. Okay, so if you get the message as records I email, then you are going to play speech. What play speech you are going to like? It's a string, na? Welcome this Gmail ID. So play speech is newly introduced in like applab. You can see play lab also. I will do no worries. Okay, in my next session I am doing play lab only maybe. So yeah, here you can see something is happening like that. It is saying so text is being got from label 11 like label 1 where the email id is being shown. Now get text input 1 means welcome. Welcome. From this text input you get the email. That is why it was saying welcome Priyanshu134 Gmail at the Gmail ID. Then hide element label 9. What is this label 9? Where is he? Yeah, label 9. Okay, this is label 9. If your password is wrong, it will hide the label 9, which is this label, and set screen to loads. Now what is the loads? It is setting a screen, no, that yeah, you are successfully registered. Now set timeout to like this. You can see in a set timeout function. So what is this set timeout function? By this, like 2500 seconds, 2500 seconds, no, if it's 2500 milliseconds, it is known as milliseconds. Okay, it is not seconds here, it is milliseconds. Means in seconds, 2000 milliseconds in seconds is 2 seconds. How much seconds is this? 2 seconds. Okay, so 2500 seconds means 2.5 seconds. Very simple. Now, after 2.5 seconds, you're going to switch to the chat screen. Okay, and set text label 10 is records I email ID. This is like the email ID of the user is like a registered user is showing here. Okay, simple. Else show element label 9 means if the password is wrong, else then you can show this element called label 9, wrong password or email. Anyone is not registered here with that password or email. Okay, now what are we coding for? On event drop down. Now on event is if we click the drop down. Okay, if we like in chat screen the drop down is available. This is a drop down one. So on event we click the drop down one. Read records user means you will read all which is in the data server saved of the record users. Now for var and all this will be there only, and these blocks now you will find in data. Simply see read records, create records and everything. Delete records also I will teach you about delete records. Then append item list. Okay, see var list. Okay, there is a variable in scratch also. We play with variables, no, there is also variable in applab. So yeah, variable, if the variable is list is equal to this. Okay, see blank. Now for var I is equal to 0 if records dot length is greater than I plus plus, and if records I dot email means whatever saved in email is exclaimed is equal to get text label 10 means you're not understanding what I'm saying. I will just in gradual words when we are sending the message. Since Priyanshu, suppose Priyanshu sends the message to Srijita. Okay, listen to me carefully. Priyanshu sends the message to Srijita. Now, what is happening in this case? Srijita is able to see Priyanshu's message, not Kanishka. Kanishka, is she able to see Priyanshu's message? No, na. Only Srijita is able to see the message Priyanshu sent her. So it is two-in-one communication. Okay, this is a private communication. You can like other friends can't see what you're chatting with the another friend. The unknown other friends can't see. Okay, so that is why we have given this up like what one like this one. Okay, and append item list records I dot email. Okay, now let's go to the like a set property also you have to give options list. Okay, like append means you have to set the variable. List is a variable basically, and you have to set this variable to the data saved in email survey. Okay, there is a data now saved in email. See, are you guys understanding? Yeah, okay. Now you see set property drop down one. which is list. Now in line 40, we have what we have here, get record message. Like this is a button, okay? Like if you click this button, you will be able to send your message. So if you send this create record message, there will be a record created of your message there. It will save your message from this text input, then it will save the sender's name from this text input, and it will save the receiver's name from the drop down one, okay? And message is get text area too, okay? And now I will just convert it to show text. There is a text based also in, like if you are interested in learning text based after scratch, you can surely go for code.org. Now what is here, set text area 2 means this is text area 2 where the user receives message, okay? Now on record event means instantly you send a message, instantly the users will get it in 1 second only. Okay, are you understanding? Now if event type is create, then you have to read records on record event, okay? This is also available in data only. See, on record event, okay? On record event message, if the like if your this thing, the label 10 is the receiver, if, okay, this is a loop condition. If you are the receiver of the specific message, you are going to receive the message which is stored in data. So there is only 63 only lines of code, you can see. This is really simple and very formal code we are doing to create this simple application, okay? So this is how you do it. I hope you are liking our session, but it's not time still yet. So I will just talk about coding a little bit. If you have any doubts, you can please send me. Yeah, so if you're having any doubts with this application or some coding of this, you can instantly send me. I'll instantly solve the doubt, because it's not time still yet. It's like for 5 minutes, sorry, seconds left, and we will discuss a little bit more about things we are able to discuss today. It's a 30-minute session. Yeah, okay. HL is having a doubt. Oh, hi is having a doubt. Okay, yeah. Hi, please ask your doubt now. I'm really excited to see your doubt. So yeah, hi was having a doubt, right? So hi, please send your doubt. I'm excited to see it. Yeah. Let's see what doubt hi sends. Cool username, huh? How to okay, how to create a record and how to what is read record. There is very simple, ठीक है? ठीक है, आपका नाम अगर आप बता देते तो it was very simple. Please type your name, no? Yeah, please type your name. Um, you're asking, but I want your name first. Please type your name. Okay, where is the thing? Not coming. Anyways, let's answer this doubt only. Yeah, Priyanshu Saha. Okay, welcome. Okay, you're registered also, no, Priyanshu? I used your email ID only. Okay, so how to create a record. See, creating a record in scratch, like a scratch, I'm saying code.org means applab is very simple. How to do that? There is a block. Okay, I'll show you by screen sharing only. Yeah, there is a block called create records. Just now I have shown, there is a block called create records. You can find it in datas. If you just take this create records block, yeah, and just stick it over here. Let's try. My table, you have to name your record, means your data. Like I name it nothing. So in this data, what are you going to save? I'm going to save something like my name. So how am I going to get the name? I'm going to get the name from some specific text input. What is text input and all? If you need information about it, please do tell me. I will explain everything in one session. 30 minutes only. So now how to read a record? Very, very simple. How to read a record? Go to data and click on like this read record panel. Now, which record do you want to read? If you have created any record, then only you will read any record. If you didn't create any record, how will you read the record? See, such as read records message means here also I will show the records or read records message. Very simple. And if you want to show this record somewhere, then see set. This is very simple. Set text area 2. You will get it in UI controls. Here it is. There is a space you have to keep for text area, and then you're just gonna give convert to text based and type this records I dot, and the field you're gonna get the message. I hope your doubt is clear, Priyanshu. Is it? Uh, then if all is okay, we are going to end the session. I think someone special YouTuber is going to come the next time. This time we were having some problems, so that's why we couldn't invite someone. Priyanshu, would you like to join us here? And was your doubt cleared? Please type here in the chat box. No, if it was, it is a pleasure. Please type over here. Oh yeah, Priyanshu registered. I think. Yeah. I got his name also. I read your name at the sessions first only, Priyanshu. Okay. So thank you for all the compliments which Ohuna gave me. Subhashi's Day gave me. Yeah. Everyone, thank you, everyone. So yeah, with this, I'm ending a session when it's 30 minutes already. Thank you for sparing your 30 minutes for watching this live over here. Having your patience to watch this live. Next session, I will explain you about pick two blocks either, or I'll just explain you about play lab or a sprite lab. And see, you're going to be a game master after learning all these. So bye bye guys. Meet you again. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. And yeah, the next code show will be probably on like 6th October. Okay, everyone. 6th October. Bye bye. I will tell you the timing also. Okay.